How to install WordPress with Softaculous. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to install WordPress using Softaculous. 1. Log into your web hosting control panel and go to Softaculous Apps Installer or a similar section where you have access to Softaculous. 2. In the scripts list, search for WordPress and click on the install button next to it. 3. You will be taken to a form where you need to fill in some details about your new WordPress site. Choose a domain from the drop-down menu where you want to install WordPress. Set an admin username and secure password you will use to log into WordPress. Enter your email address. Choose to install the latest WordPress version or pick an older one from the drop-down. 4. Once done, accept the terms and click install at the bottom. 5. WordPress will begin installing on your chosen domain. Wait for a few minutes as it completes the installation and sets everything up. 6. When done, you will see a message, WordPress has been successfully installed. Click on the URL shown to visit your new WordPress site. 7. Log in with your admin username and password, start creating your site. Update plugins/themes, write posts and pages, customize layouts, the possibilities are endless. That's it. Softaculous makes installing WordPress super quick and easy. Give it a try to launch a new site in minutes.